जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय श्री राम, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय हनुमान।
पवन सुत हनुमान की
Good evening to everyone. The program, of course, we are in program only. We have, and now Hanumanji prayed. It's some verses of Hanuman. We are celebrating Hanuman Jayanti, Narasimha Jayanti as well. One is actually completed, another one is yet to celebrate. We are in middle, we are celebrating. Is it okay? Of course, in this country, if my birthday is on Wednesday, I will invite you on Sunday. Start with the great verse of Hanuman, very well known prayer of Hanuman. Namata Rakshasantakam Goshpadi Krita Varasim Masaki Krita Rakshasam Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vande Anilatmajam Anjana Nandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanasanam Kapisam Akshahantaram. Who was having this kind of qualities to offer that? No one, only Hanuman. Now question comes, after taking the garland, Hanumanji bited that pearl. Why should he bite? If you felicitate with put your hands together, please. Pundarikaksha Pundarikaksha Pundarikakshaya Namaha. Now take the Achamanam. Om. Wash. Just next to Prahlada. Then we will be alright. Otherwise, he will curse us. So we are next to the Prahlada. He is slowly getting. Simhadri Narasimhaya Namaha. Om Varaha Narasimhaya Namaha. Om Lakshmi Nrsimhaya Namaha. Om Narasimhaya Namaha. Bol Narasimha Bhagavan ki. So అన్నం పెట్టు అనగానే ఇన్ని ఎలా అయితే ఉంటాయో ఈ 4 క్వాలిటీస్ లో చాలా ఉంటాయి. అలానే భగవద్గీతలో ఇంకో 4 కేటగిరీస్ చెప్పాడు కృష్ణుడు. నువ్వు ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళు, ఏ దేశంకైనా వెళ్ళు, ఎలాంటి పీపుల్ దగ్గరికైనా వెళ్ళు, వాళ్ళు ఈ 4 కేటగిరీస్ లోనే ఉంటాడని చెప్పాడు. The Lord Krishna said 4 categories about the people. If you go beyond the universe, every humankind will be in those 4 categories only. That's what he said. Of course, now here, Swami, are you the same Rama in Moksham also? No. Then I won't come. That is love. We all need moksham. Even Hanumanji needs moksham. When Ramachandra Swami only offered, he rejected. That is love. He wants to prove his love. Where he sees everywhere. If he really loves, he show in actions. Not Hanuman, Narsimha, we keep them aside. If we really love anyone, we show in action. If we committed to anything, we don't get relaxed. If we are Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, 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 Pahi Mam. Rama, 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 Pahi Mam. Rama, Rama, Pahi Mam, Rama, Rama, Raksha Mam. Rama, Rama, Pahi Mam, Rama, Rama, Raksha Mam. Sri Rama, O Rama, Na Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, O Rama, Na Rama, Sri Rama, O Rama, 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 Rakshama. Raja Ramachandra Maharaj ki Jai. Pavan Sutta Hanuman Bhagavan ki. As we advertised on the flyer, the victory shlokas we say. Can we do namaskar? Asadhya. Yeah. If you Naivedyam samarpayami. Samarpayami, show the water to God and drop in the bowl. It will implement in our regular life. How can we face, how can we think in our bad situations, tough situations, and how can we just go, get rid of them, and how can it happen in Prahlada's life? At the end, Hiranyakashipu wants to stop his life. That's why, is he there? Is he there? Is he there? Yes. Indugaladanduledi sandeham valadu endendu vetikina andande kaladu. He proved. But Bol Narasimha Bhagavan ki. Sincerely thanking for coming for our event. Thank you so much. Now we will give Harati to Lord Hanuman and Narasimha Swami. We will take the Harati. You to your God, then here. Ramachandraya Janakaraja Manoharaya Mamakabhishtadaya Mahitamangalam Charu Kunkumopeta Chandananu Charchitaya Harakataka Shobhitaya Bhuri Mangalam Vimala Rupaya Vividha Vedanta Vedyaya Sujana Chitta Kamitaya Subhaga Mangalam Ramadasa Mridula Hridaya Tamarasani श्रीनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय भव्यमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् बोल राजा रामचंद्र महाराज की नारसिंह गोविंदा गोविंदा सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु So every Romam should have Rama, Nama. Romam means hair, right? Romanchamane ghanakanchukano Rama bhaktudano mudra billayu Banturiti kolu viyavayya Rama Banturiti kolu viyavayya Rama रोमांचमाने घनकंचुकानु रामभक्तुडानु मुद्रबिल्लयु Ramanamam is very powerful. You see in Hanuman's life. Our courage is nothing but you people. Without you, we would have celebrated at our homes by inviting the neighbors if they are okay. మనస్ఫూర్తిగా చెప్తున్నాను నరసింహస్వామి దయ హనుమంతుడి దయ మీ అందరికీ ఉండాలి. సామాన్యమైనటువంటి పవర్ కాదు వాళ్ళిద్దరిది, రెండు శక్తులు. సో డూ యువర్ ఆఫర్స్ ఆన్ 22nd of May also on his fortunate birthday. We joined a bit earlier to get more energy to celebrate on that particular day.